Hello, crafters. This is Suzanne from A Creative Muse, and I am here with day 14. Past the halfway mark, getting close to that December 24th. I wish there was a 365-day Advent calendar. I love this. On the 14th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me. I already popped it open. Oh, a die set. And it's an ice cream cone. Love. I haven't even looked at it and I already know. I love it. I love a good ice cream cone die. You just don't know. Yay! This is a good one. We have the cone, the drop-in if you want to turn it into a waffle cone, the top of the ice cream. What makes this one a good ice cream cone? That little drippy bit right there. And a cherry. Let's look at my example. This is my December 14th example. A cute, fun, festive, confetti-style, colorful tag. Had so much fun making this. The ice cream ensemble is here, but there is so much product in this little example. I don't know why I went over the top. Not only do I have the day 14 dies here, I also have December 13, the stamp set. I use birthday out of it. So let's talk about what is all happening here. To put the ice cream cone together, that's the base, that's the topper. I love this topper. This little piece just adds that finishing touch. That's the ice cream and then that's the fudge. On the fudge, I'm using both glossy accents and distress rock candy glitter. The glitter, I did again, that little sprinkle, just like sugar on the top. The cardstock I have here is Pink Sand and Spellbinders Dune. So those are the two cardstock. Because the little ice cream cone is such a cute little ice cream cone, I wanted to have a whole birthday scene. That was my idea. The products I'm using, day 13 for the sentiment, to put the ice cream on. This little die came in so handy. This is called the Pierced Mini Labels die. Both of these dies would fit that ice cream cone. This has a very low price point. So if you have this die, this is from BB's Snowflakes collection. It works so well with this ice cream cone in the Advent calendar. So you can definitely stick a pin in this one because I think it's a great little detailed background for this ice cream cone. I love the dot detail. Next, one of my favorites, create a decorative tag. I just used the tag here for the background. On the tag, I am embossing with one of my favorite embossing folders when I want to have fun and play. Spellbinders Loops embossing folder. This is a 2D embossing folder. It was all about dimensional diamonds. Today it's about which one is your fun, playful embossing folder. Loops. And there I have loops. So this is bright white cardstock. That little pierced label with the white cardstock again. And then here, this is the first time I'm using this. I bought this on sale last year and it's just been sitting there. This is the party decor dies. So you get more of a straight line, 2 of them for your banners, and then you get 3 curved. I cut the curved and then just layered them, and I use these 2 circles. You get a lot of these and you get a lot of those. Then you even get this little like pennant look, one with the fishtail and one with that point. I could have done circles, pennants, and really go for it. I like the circles in different colors, and then my little ice cream cone with my little red cherry. So super cute. So this is a fabulous set. Party decor. This one is perfect for all your birthday cards or celebratory cards. To cut this out, I'm using the sentiment labels dies right there. So you see how much product I'm using? I'm using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products to make this tag because of the ice cream cone. If you have any of these in your stash, this year's Advent calendar, I'm really focusing on shopping my stash and having fun. Last year, it was bringing in previous days, and then everything else is just shopping my stash. Up here, I took some ribbon from my stash, glitter ribbon, solid hot pink, and then this beautiful deep teal, fun festive colors. I think this is adorable. This would be great on the cover of a card. It could also be great on a gift bag. It could be something like so. It could be at an angle. So it could still work on a card itself, or it could work on a gift bag. That'd be really cute too. Here's a little gift bag. See, I think it adds fun. Have a shiny gift bag or something like that. So this is day 14. Don't forget that the Spellbinders fire sale is going on. It's a party just like this, loaded with lots of steals. I will link my video here and you can take a look at it. Also, I hope you all entered the 12 days of giveaways. So somebody won that platinum die cut machine with the universal plate system. Okay, crafters, until December 15, stay crafty, my friends. Look at this cutie. Look how you can have so much fun with all items from your stash. Stay crafty. Bye.